You are going to love the 2021 Seltos. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, cloth seat trim, tinted glass, carpeted floor mats. The Kia Seltos is sure to stand out with its appealing front end. Additionally, the Seltos offers a robust number of interior features and a large amount of space for a small SUV. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.